welcome back to Sweet Rice Cafe. Today we are going to show you how to make loud crunchy chicken.
Hello everybody, welcome back to Sweet Rice Cafe. Today we're going to show you how to make loud, crunchy chicken. That's what my girls call it anyway, is loud, crunchy chicken. In other words, grilled chicken. We have already cut our chicken into little strips. Now we're going to season our chicken strips. Kier, can you hand me this seasoning please? Thank you. This is the garlic powder you're going to season, and while you season this, you want to use your hands and just mix it with your fingers, rub it in a little bit. Kier, can you give me this one please?
No, you just can tell me their names.
Thank you. Or just tell you the names, okay. Thank you. So I'm going to season this one with Grill Mates Applewood, and it's a rub. I'm just going to rub it into my chicken as I mix them like this. Okay. Okay, can you hand me the next one, please? Thank you. And this one is also Grill Made Montreal chicken. And make sure it's rubbed all the way in there, nice. We want to make sure it tastes good after it is done. The last thing I want to add is soy sauce. So I'm going to sprinkle some soy sauce in here. I'm going to mix it up. Here's my little tray. And I'm going to use heavy aluminum foil, heavy duty. Any aluminum foil would do. We just have this one we have been using. So I tear it out about so, just to fit your little tray here. Then I put my little grill on the top here. Then I just pick my little strip and I lay it out. This is a big piece. Lay it out like this.
I think that counts as 3 pieces.
That counts as 3 pieces?
Uh-huh.
How many pieces do you want?
3.
3? Kier, how many
want
pieces?
2.
You want 2? Okay, let me... Oh, there's another big piece.
2 sounds enough for me.
Yeah, sounds enough. Alright, so I'm going to lay one here. Like
you can
this.
ask them too. How much do you want?
I think I'm going to have 4 or 5 pieces.
I think you should have 5.
You think so?
I think we're supposed to share.
Yeah, supposed to share. We always share, silly.
Just in case someone runs out first.
Yeah, you think it'll run out first?
I always ask for more meat.
You can always ask for more meat. And what do we eat this with when it's cooked?
Rice.
Rice, and then what?
Vegetables.
Vegetables, beans, pea pods,
Cucumbers.
cucumbers, carrots. And you know what? We have it. Laos hot sauce where we dip our rice into or meat into too, makes it taste good. Okay, so after we have put this in there, we're going to move this over. Be careful, camera girl. So we're gonna, like this, open up. Again, be careful, it is hot. So place it inside the middle rack of the oven. And you close it. Okay, it's been about 15 minutes, so we're going to flip the chicken, the loud crunchy chicken. So I'm just going to flip using my wooden tongs, one at a time. You can see little grill marks that's on there. This is our attempt to eat healthy. We like to think it's healthy. Let me turn this on this way so I can flip this big piece right here. Make sure to be careful because it is very hot. And this last one. Oh, this one's stuck together. There you go. Right, we get this last one. And then we're just going to push it back in like that. Close it up and we'll come back. We're going to check and make sure it is cooked. Oh, it looks good. Nice and brown. As I mentioned, I like to make sure it's cooked when it comes to chicken. So we're going to leave it in here for another maybe 10 minutes. Okay, it's been 10 minutes. And this is what it looks like when it is done. Here you go. Be careful, it's hot, okay? So take it by Naya. There's your crunchy lao chicken with the sweet rice on Kira's plate and some, what kind of vegetables?
Green beans and tomatoes.
And tomatoes. Let me see if it's thumbs up or thumbs sideways. Make sure to eat it with your vegetables too, okay? Oh, somebody's crunchy. Oh, nice job, Kira.